KiS Online is our cloud-based garage management solution. It's designed specifically for the simple but effective running of your workshop. The application is web-based, meaning there is no installation required and it can be accessed from any location with an internet connection. Our national garage network is already successfully using KiS Online in the running of their business. From everyday tasks such as creating job cards and invoicing, through to managing your stock and accounts, and even keeping in touch with your customers, you can manage everything in one simple-to-use application. KiS Online features an integrated vehicle registration lookup giving you all the information you'll need about a vehicle. Everything from make and model down to engine code and chassis number. In addition, a live MOT history lookup is available. The history of work you've carried out on any vehicle can be quickly accessed in a couple of clicks. Our customizable workshop diary makes it easy to schedule and organize jobs at the point you are booking work in, along with giving you visibility and access to the jobs you have already booked. We've designed KiS Online so it can grow along with your business, which is why we've made it easy to add extra users to the system. Additional modules are available to help you get the most out of KiS Online. If you're interested in learning more about what KiS Online can do for you, the quickest way to get in touch is via our website,